Hi everyone! Today I'm going to do a get ready with me tutorial. I'm going to do it as per my old videos whereby I have my headset on and I'm listening to music or something like that. In the meantime, I do have my water bottle here or thermos here because I'm still suffering from a very bad cough. So I will drink it from time to time. So currently I have my headphone connected to my iPad and I am watching Friends because it's something that I can just listen to, that I don't need to watch, and I know what's going on because I've memorized all the dialogues and all the scenes. So let's start, shall we? Okay, so don't ask me what happened on my forehead right here. I'm getting that checked out by a dermatologist. So I've already taken off my hijab because it was getting in the way. Anyway, I am going to do my eye makeup first. I'll be starting off with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I've had this forever. Like I said, I haven't been putting on my makeup for a while, so I decided, you know, just use whatever that I have, and it still works. Next, I'm going to put on my NYX eyeshadow base. This is the white one. I always end up somehow with a very smoky eye look, so let's hope I don't. I don't have anything in mind right now on what I want to wear or how it's going to look like, so let's just give it a shot. Next, I'm going to put on the Essence Big Bright Eyes on my waterline. And for today, since it matches my outfit, I'm going to use this one, which is Chill Brunch Neutrals. This is the palette, the City Mini palette from Maybelline. I'm going to put on this color first. I'm going to put it under my eyebrows. This is the next color, right here. I'm going to put it in my crease. Next color is this one, right here. The next color I'm going to put on is this, which is the darkest color, and I'm going to apply this right at the corners. Now I'm going to blend it all. The next thing that I'm going to put on is my Catrice Kohl Kajal. This one is in the color 140 Chalk Waves. I'm just going to apply this on the top of my lids, very near to the lash line. I don't know why, but my camera decided to switch off. Anyway, I was going on and on, but I am wearing this Maybelline Super Cushion Flawless Matte Cushion SPF 25/PA+. This will be a good day to test it out, but the thing is you can't really put too much on. As you can see, it's really white, but as I mentioned before, my skin reacts differently to foundation and sometimes it does oxidizes it. I'm going to put on my Essence Makeup Trend Cubanita. This is the baking and banana powder. I've already applied my under eye concealer as well. Like nothing. I don't want to put with the puff. What's the point, right? Because it'll get all over. See? Even without the puff. I'm going to put on the tissue because I'm going to put on my blusher. If I don't put it there, then it's going to get on my inner, as with everything else right now. depends on my mood whether I want to put on any contour or not, but usually I don't. I'm going to put on this one from Tarte in Peaceful. This one looks like this. This looks like this. Put a bit on the back of your hand. There's too much. There is too much. I always apply a lot of blush. Then I just blend it out. I'm going to apply this Stereo Rose MAC. If you're going to ask, why don't I do my eyebrows? This is not the channel for you. I don't do my eyebrows. So if you want to know how that's done, go to other channels and come back to mine. I forgot one more thing. I'm supposed to put on my mascara. So yeah, I'm going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to apply the Essence Instant Volume Boost. This is quite good actually. Ready in 10 seconds. Smudge proof and intense black. I'm going to take Strip Down by MAC. Okay, and then we're going to use Kathy Doll Nude Me Liquid Lip Matte in Rose Embroidery. Then I'm going to put on my favorite Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. I know it defeats the purpose of the liquid lip matte, but I just want a nice color to match my overall look. And plus, it's quite moisturizing. So I'm done. I've already put on my hijab and I am more decent now. If you've enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comment section below and let me know if you want me to do any other looks. Now before I go, let me just show you how it looks like. That's all for now. Take care and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!